Butter is the best, but can we make it even better? Today we're going to try by making a cowboy butter. You can use this for finishing your grilled meats, melt it and use it as a dip, use it on your garlic bread. There are so many uses for this butter. To start, we need a half cup of butter. I am using salted. You can use unsalted, and I am using a nice Irish butter today. Make sure it is at room temperature so that it's easy to mix everything in. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. The recipe I am borrowing recommends coarse Dijon. I'm an advocate of just use what you have in your fridge, and I'd had non-coarse Dijon. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of fresh chives, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley chopped, and 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme. Then we need 2 teaspoons of garlic minced. I'm using fresh garlic. Then we need to add our dried spices. We have a half teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, an 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and an 1/8 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Go ahead and mix that all together. If you only have dried herbs, go ahead and use about a teaspoon of chives, teaspoon of parsley, and a scant teaspoon of thyme. I only had freeze-dried chives, so I used about 1.5 teaspoons. And then I eventually switched to using a fork because we want to make sure every little morsel of butter has been in contact with all of our delicious herbs and spices. To make this mixing even easier, you could just put all of your ingredients into a food processor and pulse it all together, scraping down the sides as you go or as needed. Just be sure you don't have any unflavored butter chunks in your bowl. And you are ready to use your cowboy butter. If you want to make a compound butter, you can place your butter into some plastic wrap and press it into a log shape. Get it nice and tight in there, and then pop it in your fridge. Now, I recommend making this the night before. Again, it gives your butter time to marinate with all of those flavors. If you can't wait overnight, I would at least make this a couple hours in advance of when you plan to use it. But I'm gonna go ahead and open mine up. It sat in my fridge for a few hours. I want to show you guys a cross section of this super flavorful butter. Look at all those specks of flavor. Like I said, use it on your grilled meats, use it as a dip, use it just as a spread on a nice piece of crusty bread. I have also used this to cook my scrambled eggs in, and I can confirm that was also delicious. I will leave all of the ingredients and the instructions down below in the description for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you tried making this cowboy butter. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And if you guys are looking for another delicious condiment recipe, go ahead and click or tap here on screen, and I will see you guys there.